My name is Ravi Patel. I'm a family medicine doctor here at Adena Health in Circleville. Really, it was my own family doctor. He would take care of me, he took care of my parents, my grandparents, and you could see like the long relationships and lifelong relationships that he had with all of us. Adena kind of spoke to me because of their mission and their values that they hold of wanting to serve the community with compassion, integrity, excellence. Alongside the values of Adena, it was actually the values of the people that live here. They're hardworking, compassionate people who have connection to faith. And taking care of people like that with values is very enjoyable and rewarding to me, especially with my history of practicing in Warren with a similar population. Patients should definitely choose Adena because Adena has started from humble beginnings and they've been around here for 100 years. And the benefit of that is they really know what the community needs. So anytime they get resources, they really put it back into the community. So once they get those resources, they spend the money to get the technology that's needed. They spend the money to get affiliate with Ohio State and other hospital systems in the area to give the best care to the patients that are here. Before I enter a room, I think of my grandfather. Through his medical journey, he's come across many nurses and doctors, and his biggest complaint was if there was a doctor who was rushing, or if there was a doctor that didn't look at him, or if the doctor didn't do a proper physical exam, he'd always say, oh, what was the point of coming here? And so every time I go into the room, I think this patient is like my grandfather, and I want to treat him like my grandfather would want to be treated. Patient care, trying to understand the patient, give them warmth, give them eye contact. Understanding where they're coming from because they may be different from the previous patient. And so I want to give individualized care, meet the patient where they're at, and then go forward with their care together. From a young age, gratitude and gratefulness has been instilled in me, and the true definition of gratefulness and gratitude is to pay back selflessly. And so that's what I really want to do, and that's the kind of impact that I want to leave on the community beyond just the medicine, to give back to the people of the community, to give them a better quality of life mentally, physically, and just in general. So I grew up in Ohio. I went to Ohio State, so I'm a big Ohio State fan. I just became a father, so that has brought a different level of joy. Going home, spending time with him is beyond any words. I think more than anything, I think it's a very humbling profession. It's a humbling experience to get to know so many different people from so many different backgrounds. So I can only say I'm very grateful for the position that I'm in.